Hey yo. Hey yeah. Ghana entertainment industry metaphor. Hey yeah. Hey. Me no ka say baby abefa bia Shatta Wale and one sem no bieka. Metaphor. Na ade ba ko a eye me yakakra ne se enra wo hwe event e course wa. Enka wo hwe event ni wait on. Enka o say kan event no one sem be 1 month. Because Richie ni ama at 40 no. Sika ne adwuma akomu no. Eni si ejai ho asem ka koka asem foforo. But I think say principalities be achi that shine no. Ana me boa. Principalities achi shine wo wiem trend no. Principalities are some ma you know ade bia an trendy. Just omo ho asem nko a. Yao. Ya. Medafo mene wo ka say e kame ese bia befa bia Shatta Wale ho asem na obi eka. Na no kra ewo mpa nie. Die nti a Shatta Wale anko Richie ni ama at 40 event no. Muntie niye. Eno na medenam. Ansa na behun die nti a Shatta anko sa show no. And I say that event no. Just a okope powder white. Now bompa iguso. Now the sraw him now koda. Ahomache 4 a.m. Principalities no beba be bie wani. Now omachro die ntia. Wale anko that event no. Tia. But for content creator bia be so oka Shatta Wale asem bia no. Eye komani bre. Tia. Eye nia obenya ewo Shatta Wale din ni huntia. Obie nim die ntia sebi Shatta Wale anko event no enra. And I say Saturday no. Obie nim ade krontia. Nipa mienu penenim eye Shatta Wale na mu ana Richie ni ama at 40 no. Obu mienu penenim die ntia sebi Wale anko. Enu nti se wahu se obi afa no World Cup ana aso peso chensem mu ana wahu 1 + 1 18 divided by 2 constant k vice versa 1 compound interest ni na me for boa alo eye komani bre no obi ade yesa Wale brand no me for so you did dwuma kese bi na opeso trendy a whole week a whole month I think say also call Wale camp on you omko kanamo omo sign contract now power Wale say Wale Mr. This week there, me di jamdi pacho. Papa, Mr. Mamin trende kakra. Enya me na mi kon. Wow, wo hwa me medofu di dance ye. Ni padodo mko share oni at 40 no. Medofu enya celebrities kitwa o. Emu ahoho. But all of a sudden, omo trend no, principalities actually trend no oviem because Jumadie na a course no na enkoso mo trending more than a month and I said more than a week or 2. But all of a sudden, high street in so baby I drew bia a principalities. Wale na day. Papa, na day. Some kramete say or your body pow. Ana. Papa dey na course. Yao. Ya. Medafo se Wale ebo run element mu sei na oji bibi foforo pie bibia the whole gang obi ani na so sa ade betima ba Wale ma ade ni pia bontinga se oye new content creator muntie ni ye e wo so play smart follow eno nko a obedidi de enti a Wale e de powder ne ye nanim no medafo ma dwene ho saa besi na miti kra mi anim adokro Wale ratina Shatta Wale be kumio papa na what's a powder no ye de anim anhira nkwa on. One thing I know about powder and say yen akanfo amamrem no ebi a yesi ohene foforo kra na yetimi de powder eye ho sra wanim echese wadi nkunim se bi kwa amane bi mu na yetwitwaje wa ebi a ukọ jail bi na ye you free ho a wahu de me kiro no ukọ court asem bi ye bua na odi bima yetutu powder anu nti no adeɛ na Shatta Wale bɛyɛ wɔ abɔnten no medɔfo is deeper than said yɛafa no sɛ bi a Wale ɛde create comedy no. And one thing also you're very careful and they say entertainers no more times no omu kodi omu nyoma ewo comedy mu. Entertainers nkrofo a omu pese omu ka bibi kire ewiase a omu use comedy. And unti hu so obi ewo the creative art industry nim, music industry nim, oba abontin be create jokes bia. But therefore there is some powerful message behind it. So we are smarter. Ubenya ho fa so bebree. Before and after reaching ni ARMAH at 40 show no. Wale ba abonten abe tushire anansa ode pad abe bone ho no. E kire ne oma bebree. Me to me no, e kire ne oma more than said ye yenye hu no. Wan hwe ya obefa ne normal. Na watena street ni so no asere oh Shatta Wale de. Or your comedy or your concert or the party abone nim la lie. Oh ha, sana wa adwene be kire. But ebia is deeper than that. And you know, aside say you did create content, you did create jokes, no. Nyanto wasi din etras na gino ho. Nebusa ho say why will Shatta Wale go to this extent? But me de minim ne say ehire anase pada de utugu anim de ehire say ehira nko a. Ehira nko a. Hey, me therefore Wale say this year Elkono, open so dim kunima, for pada bonim. Ne brabontin betiem, and one no. Wale me wana principalities. Principalities. Shatta Wale. Say, I don't see, metaphor, Emma Obia nada. Don't be twisted. Stories now, what thing you know about the entire Shatta Wale, anchor performing no, and you no crack. Me can no crack show. But I crack where you no crack. Stories ni na anya no crack. Obia nim de esi, and obia nim de esi yet. The obia can be ano speculations. Yo. Yeah. Papa, ye chow. Ye didn't him so baba kasa.
Looking for the perfect home away from home? Stay with Pcash Properties in Akira Made, Kumasi. Luxurious, fully furnished spaces designed for your comfort. Book now, Ghana, +2 332 45 356 907 UK, +4 479 4606 0393. Visit www.pcashproperties.com. Your dreams stay awaits. Don't wait. Book today.
Wait in case you can't hear the news, support them. Don't come and fight the thing and come and do like you want show say and shatter. But man, none of you here no go fish. They sing. You are listening to what they talk. You are not powerful because you are not closer to good. It's like a come as yes so. You see principality before. Principality song, sing that song. Go and sit down. If you want to join this, stand up. Kaba. If you want to join. If you want to join this, stand up, Kaba, support Shatta Wale. Make we fit do what we for do. Because you won't make them. I won't make them. Me, I won't make them. You make your mouth like you know how to talk. And now you go tired. When I write lyrics for my brain, and if I send that message out, and you just hear like, oh, yeah, Mama, you go tired. You go tired. I get what I'm saying. Because you can't fight this guy. I am saying it. I don't care. I am telling you. Today be your first time when you see principality for us. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Your first time when you see principality. You see principality. Make I put powder for my face. You boy. Today you go chop powder for your dream. You go chop because you put the light up. Sometimes if I take decision, oh, they say something they happen for Ghana. Where Shatta say, oh no, me I want time like this. Then why Shatta there but not like that? And Shatta there, why? Banwa. You know be Banwa. If you know get sense, sit down. Sit down. At the principalities. Wow. We see principalities like this before. I'll be the first principality where he come out for Ghana music where he hit. Oh, you know the first years I go 10 years, I come back. Baba, you know the fear. Like people, are you not scared that this guy God they use him? Clap for me. Don't be silly. If you want to make it, clap for me. Don't come and be doing. I say the principality I pray against darkness of powers and powers of darkness. Me this I Ghana. The principality, your principality not there anywhere. But my day here. Your principle I pray against. I pray. I pray. Are they here? Your prayer I know they catch anywhere. Because if me I hold your prayer to God. Because God say make I hold them. When you respect me and respect God, I will leave your problem. Make you make them for this life. What I do now? You know the make I use another para. But two people will chop para. Because sometimes when I take decision for Ghana here, you people want to show me. Hey, today, people see with my eye make like Chinese guy eye. Like Chinese man. Go check China. Go check this way they create for them. Everything with China they do, it be me. Because China people say no. This guy they for talk to him, make it. So I come where they support Chinese people. I want help people. I want support people. I want make people go on. Then if people hear something, then people just want to talk anyhow. But I get plenty ways. There are many ways of killing a cat too. So if you just want to put the cat for the bag inside, fine. I mean, I go fit chew the cat alive. That's many ways of killing a cat. Clap for me, say I try. Hey, clap for me. Mama, clap for me. Clap for me, because I try. I motivate boys from Accra to Tamale, from Water region to Western region. Boah. When they talk, then anyone can talk to. But you say what? We not come here can worship money, but we can worship God. And God is the omnipotent. Elohim. God. Or you know you say for God, Mama, you put it for God so loved the world that he gave to his only begotten son. You don't know say they update the iOS, eh? You don't know say they update the iOS. That they change that. Mama, everybody where they pray for the word that they tell you put today. I'll be your principality. If you pray for God so loved the world that is gave to his only begotten son, you put Shatta Wale for there. Jesus my elder brother. But because of what you people do to God, as Jesus come, the thing people do to him. So God make her come this way. You know, say people don't if you recognize Jesus Christ. Abua. Now Jesus Christ can be saying, all of you lost. You see the thing with Jesus Christ do. You see the thing with Shatta Wale they do. It is shock, it is surprise plenty people. Clap for me. Jesus Christ can people put name for inside. God inside you people put name. Me not go allow me people. I tell God I won't harass people. I won't torment people. I won't be your principality. I won't be your back powers of darkness or darkness of powers. Any which way, I won't be the thing they pray about me. I won't be that person. That why God bring me like this for the world. Wait, no say no take me go America, because if you take me go America, you people not go to see that thing. If you take me go like someplace, you people not go see that. So it take me go. Say principality self they get called. You ever see principality where you get called before? If I do something for Ghana, then you say why they do that? Hey, Ghana they bad man. I say right, how much Ghana they pay you? Right, make us see. Or if you say Ghana they pay me, a boba. I see you boy, you see you sometimes say So I say like, Shatta movement be the best empire in the whole wide world. Shatta movement be the best. Because Shatta movement fans, they see the light. But you see, majority of some Ghanaians, because Ghana is like 37, some 1.3 million people for Ghana. Because if you 37 million or 36 million, so 1.2. Because me have a principality, and if you count all those people, like 1.2. Charlie, I come. Principality, they call principality about principality meeting. But now, don't pray foolishly. You understand me? If you know what make her go on, remember say you know go on. You understand what I'm saying? Because all the prayers you they pray. Oh God, I want to make it. But if you come online, then you won't come and saw Shatta Wale. Me, you see this picture I posted today. I go there your dream. I go there your mind. I go there your body. I go there your mouth. You go talk am. You go to smell me. If you no change your ways. Hey, I forget my ears. You see principality say they wear diamond before. I forget my ears say I go cover the ears. Because principality, they know they see one ear. Principality. Yeah. I will do. Is it principality like this? Is it principality? Yeah, if you wake up, then you won't worry Shatta Wale. Anything. Oh, but I don't know why Shatta Wale. But I know grace past me. Oh, you see me? You see me? In my talents. I go to do one any day. Baba, I got plenty talent too. Baba, me I be angel. Oh. Me I be angel. I don't be normal human be like you. So if you look at me, where you say you go fit, Baba, I know if you correct me. I know be perfect, but you know if you correct me. You know if it. Because you know my teacher. Your red pen or you go take go house. Mama, and they advise you, start the talk nonsense about Shatta Wale. Because the guy, ego. So that nonsense, hatred online, but I know they see him for street, but then online, then somebody want to talk in my life. And if I meet you on street, I'll go be my like this.